Hey everyone, Canadian Autos here. I just broke a box of this rookie debut, 28 packs, 6 cards a pack. I'll just go over with you some of the cards. Like here's the stack of base cards I've got. So if you need any base cards, I'll search through those and let you know if I have them. Some of the inserts and rookie cards, I guess. We'll start with some rookies. We got Darren College from the Green Bay Packer rookie, Cedric Griffin. I didn't get any of the big name 2006 rookies like Reggie Bush, Vince Young, those names. But Cedric Humes rookie, Joe Rubin, Anthony Mix. Got a little damage on the bottom of that card. We got a PJ Pope, John Madsen, JD Reynolds, Joel Klatt, Quinton Ganther, Derek Ross, Chris Denny, Tatsui Lutai, don't really know that guy, Bobby Carpenter, Wally Lundy, Kevin McMahon, Daniel Bullocks, David Kurtman, Ken Sipniewski, Dominic Hickson, Jonathan Orr, Jeff Webb, Jarius Norwood, Jeremy Bloom, Demetrius Summers, Daryl Tapp. So yes, that was all the rookie cards I got, I guess. Some inserts. I got this round 1, 4th pick debut draft link card of Philip River, Cedric Benson. Rookie photo shoot flashback of JP Lossman. Flashback of Torrey Holt. Game dated debut of Jason Witten. Flashback of Michael Vick. The debut draft link of Randy Moss and Matt Jones. A Kevin Curtis game dated debut. Flashback of Andre Johnson. Flashback of Jeremy Shockey. A Keyshawn Johnson game dated debut. Warwick Dunn flashback. Keith Brooking flashback. And I got 4 hits. Actually, I'll just show you what I got for the Niner PC. Got some base cards, Alex Smith, Frank Gore, and then I got 2 Antonio Bryants. And then I also got 2 rookies. I got Delaney Walker, and I got Manny Lawson, one of my favorite guys. So that's awesome. And then I got 4 hits in the box. None of them are numbered, unfortunately. But the first one was Julius Jones jersey card. We have a Cinerice Moss jersey card. And then 2 autographs. First is Ty Hill. And then we got a Jimmy Williams. So anything you see there besides these Niner cards is for trade. Like I said, there's a ton of base cards here, so if you want any base cards, let me know, and thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, see ya.